I sat within the valley green, I sat me with my true love. My sad horse rode a choose between the old love and the new love. The old for her, the new that made me think of Ireland dearly. When soft the wind blew down the glen and shook the golden barley. 'Twas hard and mournful words to frame, 'twas worse the ties that bound us, but harder still to bear the shame of foreign chains around us. And so I set the mountain glen, I'll seek at morning early, and join the bold united men while soft wind shook the barley. Was said I kissed away her tears, my fond arms round her clinging, when to my ears that fateful shot came out the wildwood ringing. The bullet pierced my true love's side in lines young spring so early, and on my breast in blood she died while soft wind shook the barley. 'Twas blood for blood, without remorse, I taken to Lord Hollow. I made my true love's clay cold corpse where my fool soon may follow. Around her grave I wandered drear, noon, night and